guys, welcome back to Life with Jess. Today I'm super excited because I received my package from Shop Aesthetic Angel. I'm gonna put their Instagram right here. I love them so much. The owner is just super sweet and their styles are so angelic. Literally describes their name. I have ordered from them a few times. They are so amazing. I have not opened the package, but I want to open it in front of y'all so y'all can see my first reactions, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to style these items. Also, if you shop with them, they send you a little card. In the back, it has a code that you can use for your next order, so that's super cute. So make sure to go shop with them so that you can use that. Oh my gosh, you guys. This bag is so cute. Oh my gosh, this bag is so adorable. It's a puffer bag. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love this purse. Look at this. This is so cute, guys. Oh my gosh, I literally want to cry. This is so adorable. I also got the Mauve Corset. Oh my gosh, let me open it. This is just so cute. Girls, oh my gosh, this is so adorable. This is perfect for Valentine's Day. I love the patterning and it feels so comfortable. Oh my gosh. The way that you can style this beautiful Mauve corset is by adding a slip dress. I believe the slip dress just makes it look so elegant and so beautiful. And of course, you can pair up the puffer bag with it. I think the puffer bag will look so adorable. And if the puffer bag is not your style, you can add the Livia Purse. I think it's super cute, super adorable. Yes, girl. This will look so cute. Another way that you can style this beautiful corset is by adding a cute skirt with it. I paired up the corset with this cute black mini skirt. I just think it'll look super perfect together. Look at this. It's so girly. I love it. It just screams beautiful and cute and angelic vibes. I absolutely love these two together. Okay, I was literally super excited for this one. This one's a Tana 3-piece set. It's just so angelic again. Oh my god. It's kind of like a coffee color. It's just so perfect. This is piece 1. It's so soft, guys. It's like such great quality. Oh my gosh. And it comes with some biker shorts. Super cute. And then this cute top. It's like a broad top. The Tana 3-piece set is just so adorable. The way that you can style this is just by adding a bag. Again, you can add the puffer bag or this bag. I love how it's 3 pieces because it just adds so much definition and so much style. Or another way that you can style it is by wearing a corset. This white corset is also Shop Aesthetic Angel, so I'm gonna link everything down below so that y'all can go shop for it. I don't have the help to put on this beautiful dress, but I'm just gonna show it to y'all. Look at the details. Like, it has little ruffles on the side. It adds some style to it. And this dress is already like super hot, super cute, super girly. This is so perfect for Valentine's Day. It's so adorable. Right, that is it for today's video. I hope y'all fell in love with these pieces. I absolutely love them so much. I will link everything down below so that y'all can go check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to keep supporting me in my dreams. I will see y'all in my next video. I love y'all so much. Bye!